This is a meat grinder. And this is crap. See, this shaft, it should rotate when I turn it on. It failed after grinding, I don't know, 5 kilograms of meat. Well, I expect some gearbox there with plastic gears and completely melted. Am I right or am I wrong? Let's see. Alright, so this is a big gearbox. This is a motor that actually works. Whew. Some connectors to reverse the speed of the motor. So let's open it. Okay, you know what? I expected it to look worse. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. But it still doesn't want to work. This is one gear. This is another. It's not that worn, actually. It's not that bad. So why doesn't this crap work then? I have no idea. Well, something in this gearbox obviously, but those gears look fine to me. So maybe let's reassemble it and test. Maybe it will magically work, but I don't trust it anyway. Okay, I know what happened. Take a look. The shaft got warm and it just melted a hole here. So it might be actually fixable. Maybe, yeah, it's, I don't know if it's really, no, it's not straight. It's not straight. Yeah, it's in this direction. So maybe I will hit this up, push it back, do something with this. Maybe it will work. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so let's turn the hot air, for example, 200 degrees. Let's see what happens. This angle is pretty. I don't know if you can see the angle of it, but it's off. Trust me that it's off. I don't know if I should do it with my finger. I will do it with my finger until I get burnt, then I will switch to something else. Maybe I should actually hit this part directly and then switch to something else, like, I don't know, pliers. It's soft already. Okay. Yeah, it helped. But now, well, now the second part, maybe it won't be, yeah, it's moving, okay. Wow, and actually, I don't know if you can see this, but the gear touched this part. Yeah, so there are marks of the gear here because of this shaft. Oh yeah. Okay, hopefully it's okay, but even more important part is this one. And how do I do it? How do I do it? Let me think of something. And by the way, I didn't notice it earlier, but well, this gear doesn't look good, but maybe it will somehow work. We will see. Right, so this is the best shot I can do. I really hope I won't burn my camera in the process. But maybe let's set 300 degrees here. Okay, and let's try. Maybe I should just use welding station. I don't know. Well, it does something. It will be okay, maybe. So I need to put some material in here. Well, it won't be okay because this is crap. So when you grind something more demanding than a strawberry, it will fail again, but maybe it will at least work for some. I don't know. No, I don't know what's the point of doing this, really. Okay. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's it. I will wait for it to cure, to cool down, and we'll see if it works or was it even worth it. I don't think so. Actually, one more thing. Look at this. What should I do about it? Melt this one and push it. Here it looks fine. The hole looks fine. Or should I don't know, put some washer here to make the motor closer on the motor side? My God, this is horrible. This is horrible, absolutely horrible. Oh yeah, and this is the part that... Great. Okay, you know what, I will try to melt this in this direction, maybe it will help just a little. Is it recording? Yeah. But this whole thing is crap. This is just crappy crap. Okay. Hopefully it will be enough. Come on. No, I can't put it back. Okay. Well, I hope that the second part will help align it. Yeah, well, now it's better. Yeah, it's better. Right, so let's put it back in, everything back in, and let's see. One more thing, I will put some graphite grease. This says graphite grease. I will put some graphite grease on this shaft maybe, and on every other shaft as well. Okay, it should be enough. Maybe a little more here, maybe. Here, oh, it's a hole actually. And in this part, will I be able to point the camera here without destroying everything? Maybe I will. Right, so here I can't see anything. I can see what I'm doing. Here on the shaft, the motor shaft. Here as well, maybe. Tons of grease, I don't know if it will help. Well, this will not really. I should put some between those gears actually as well. I will put one here. Well, this is the slowly rotating wheel, so it shouldn't matter. Let it rotate. I won't waste grease on this really. On those gears. There was one more gear somewhere here and I already lost it. It's here. Okay, this is the one that goes here. Yeah, well, it's greased somehow. It has some grease that it already had. I think I will leave it as it is. It's not worth it. It still doesn't work. Why? Take a look inside. I hope you can see it. In this direction it works. In this direction it stops. Because this gear is completely worn out. You can try rotating it, but there's no use because see, it stopped again and now it won't go either way. I could try fixing this gear, but this is crap. This is utter complete crap. It won't work. It just won't work. So that's it. Okay, the heater is set to 200 degrees. I don't know what I'm doing. I will probably melt it completely, but let's give it a go. You know, I saw guys repairing gears, but it was more complex, more complicated, and actually worth it. This is not worth it. Even if I fix it, even if I manage to somehow fix it, it will break again. Actually, I want to just increase the profile of this tooth somehow. Maybe I should increase the temperature a little bit. I don't know. It even smells like the cheapest horrible plastic. Okay, I will give it 300 degrees. It will either melt or be fixed. Can you see it? Now the grease is boiling already. Oh, those teeth are... That wasn't what I wanted. You know what, I will only make it worse. I don't think I can fix it. This way at least. Maybe I should use a knife instead of a screwdriver. I don't know. No, it completely melts. No, I either chose the wrong way to do it or... Never mind. Crap. You know what, I will do one more thing before discarding this crap. I will use a hot knife and we'll see what happens. Okay, let me try. I don't know if it will be a success or a great failure. Probably a great failure. Actually, you can see more than I can do. Maybe not. Maybe this knife isn't warm enough. Maybe I should use this part. Oh, doesn't seem to make any difference. You know what? I don't want to waste any more time on this.